Life challenges can appear at any time. For many of us, the change it creates can be scary and freeze us in our tracks, putting at risk everything we know to potential collapse. When challenges like the loss of a job, the death of a family member, or a forced retirement hit our greatest asset, the equity in our home, is often what's most negatively impacted. That life challenge, while truly destructive, doesn't have to destroy your future and financial stability. Whether you want to or need to sell your home, make sure you get all you deserve by partnering with an investor to renovate your home before you sell. With our partner Renovate, Sell, Share model, we'll connect you with experienced investors who will bring your home up to its highest potential selling price at no cost to you. When the home sells, you can make considerably more from the sale, and because we manage the entire process, there's no stress of having to work with contractors, schedule visits, or cover the cost of costly repairs. Protect yourself and your financial stability by scheduling an opportunity to speak with an Invest Out representative today.